Well, this is kind of weird. Hi, my name is Harshita, and I was never a makeup girl. I was that obedient first bencher. Can I borrow your notes? Kinda. However, here I am starting my makeup journey with you guys, glow from scratch, wherein we will make one look at a time. However, why I'm doing that is because my sister got married. Because she was the one who usually make me a presentable human being. I just need to show up, whether it's interviews, weddings, parties, anything like that. However, now she's gone with her brushes and left me clueless and barefaced. So now I'm gonna make my first makeup video with all the products that I have, which is borrowed from her only. I could have stolen, but she has given me already because she's very proud of me that I'm making these videos. So let's get started, beauties. With this Zudio tinted moisturizer, it said vitamin C and glow. So I was like, sure, sign me up. I'm just applying it with my bare fingers because brushes scare me. We are going raw, baby. Wait, I think I would need one more drop. My skin literally drank it like it was summer and it hadn't seen hydration since Holi. Now I'm blending it in like I know what I'm doing. Do I? Absolutely not. But if I move my hands fast enough, maybe the makeup will respect me. Okay, I'm gonna add one more. But why is my one cheek glowing and the other is still in lockdown? I'm not sure. But still, I think I know what I'm doing. Look at my smile. You will like it. Okay, next comes is... Okay, I forgot to tie my hair, so now I'm doing it. I thought I would do it initially. Concealer time. Aka. Operation Hide My Exhaustion. Alexa, play something dramatic, maybe a sad violin. I'm so tired. I love. Just putting some under the eyes on my forehead. This is what my sister told me. And then what I need to do is blend, blend, blend. I swear this is a cardio. Why does no one talk about how much work of a workout this is? I really get tired. Like, I really want to sleep now. I'm not hiding dark circles. I'm hiding student loans, emotional damage, 3 sleepless nights, and all the time that I do scrolling. Okay, I think it's blended. I still see pain in my eyes, but at least it's bright now. Let's see. Yeah, I've done a good job. Next is the blush. This is the fun part, supposedly. I took way too much, I think. This was also given by my sister. Okay. Why am I out here looking like a monkey who got into mommy's makeup pouch? I think it was giving cartoon cheeks. I don't know, whenever I apply blush, I always look like a monkey. Don't worry. But okay, I goofed up. What about my eyes? Because I was being a self-obsessed person, being a pro myself. I goofed up again on my eye. So don't worry, I went back in with a concealer, tried to tone it, and I think crisis will be managed, sort of. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. Now next up is the eyeliner, my mortal enemy. I went in with full confidence and I think I'm doing a pretty good job until and unless the second I will apply eyeliner on my other eye. Okay, so let's see. Why is one eye giving cat eye? I hope the other eye should not giving me cat cry. Okay, it's exactly the same. How much confidence I have on my goof ups. The clumsy me. One wing is sharp, other one is sad and confused. I thought I could fix it, but now both look worse. But still, my motivation does not go down. I will still try. Dekha, how much confident I am. This is the confidence that I need in my life when I am doing serious stuff. So this is also serious, but still. I think I'm gonna cry now. Honestly, eyeliner humbles me every time. I need a support group for this. Okay, I think I goof up much higher. I'm gonna cry. I am crying actually. What is happening? This always happens, but it happens with mascara. I don't know why it happens with this now. Lipstick time. I choose this nude shade because it looked great under the store lights, but now it's just been disappearing into my face. I think this shade is too nude for me. It's giving foundation lips. Last step, mascara. My lashes are basically invisible without it. So this step is non-negotiable. Try not to blink while applying it, which is hard because my eyes immediately panic. So we are calling it Crutch Meet Beginner. And that's it. We are done. A full face by me with my own hands, only mirror injuries. So this isn't a disaster, I would say. It's kind of cute, though I messed up when it comes to the eyeliner. So send me some tutorials about eyeliner. Okay, and that's it. Honestly, I'm gonna give myself 7 on 10, and for my efforts, of course, for my bravery, I would give myself 10 on 10. Rest, if you like it, hit subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.